Hey, it's me doing a nighttime video. Guess what? We're getting storms yet again. This time at night. And overnight, they could be severe. I really don't care for that. Oh, goodness. Like I said, this has been a weird summer. Like so many storms and bad storms. So I probably won't sleep good tonight. Look at my little lights on the steps. I know they're technically Christmas ones, but I don't care. I just want some lights. Oh my goodness. There's my cute candle. I like my little lights. Got my TV on. Nice and cozy in here. Mop the floors. Oh dear, see all the lightning? Oh, since I'm recording, I got something in the mail today. Look at this, how cute. I got to put butterflies on it. It's like a little floral bouquet. Is that not cute? That is the cutest card I've seen. Look at the little real card that came with it. Towards your cake. Happy birthday. Hugs. I don't know if I can read that, but Sarah, I know it ends in Sarah. Thank you so much and for giving me that. That is so nice. Had to come on and tell you thank you as well. That was so fun to get that in the mail today. I mean, that is just so cute. I love it. And super nice of you to send that. I will definitely make use of that. I am going with my sister on Wednesday. I think we're going to go to Sevierville. And she's going to take me out to eat. And I'm going to spend a little of my birthday money. So that'll be fun. I might just stop at Dairy Queen up there and get something. So I will definitely have fun spending my birthday money and from my YouTube friends. Oh, look what I got. Now I got this because I thought, ooh, lovely crazy cups. I'll have to go over the flavors here in a second. Thank you again, Sarah, for this. This is so cute. It's so nice of you to do. Can you hear the thunder? It's really thundering. I think we could get severe storms in the middle of the night. I'm not really excited about this. You know how I said I don't like storms? I don't like bad storms, and I really don't like bad storms in the middle of the night. So this could get interesting. Anyway, we're gonna come over here and look, get my mind off the storm. We're gonna look at what came in my crazy cups. Some of the scents. I got one of these. This is really, really coconutty. Oh good, here comes all the rain again. Oh boy. All right, let's see what's in here. Cinnamon churro. Ooh, salted caramel. Ew, bananas Foster. Ew, okay, that I don't think I'll like. I really don't. Caramel truffle sundae. Yummy. Ah, banana. Why? Okay, let's see if we got a different one in here. Ooh, frosted oatmeal cookie. Ooh, that's yummy. Oatmeal cookie. I think that's all the kinds there are. Cinnamon churro, salted caramel. Oh my gosh, lots of lightning outside. Oatmeal cookie. Hear that thunder? Oh gosh. Cinnamon churro. Glad Cody isn't scared. Hear the thunder? Oh boy, I don't like nighttime storms. I can't see what's going on. Anyway, there's my Crazy Cups variety pack I got off of Amazon. Alright, let's come over here, turn off the lights here. The rain coming. Oh my gosh. I'm serious, like every other day it does this. Big storms. Tons of rain. There we go. You hear all that rain? My neighbor has cute lights out there. Alright, I know it is 9. Well, what time is it? After 9 o'clock at night, but I'm still going to have coffee. I do. And I'll probably be up anyway. I'm a night owl, but since there's severe storms, we have a severe thunderstorm warning, and we have a watch till like 3 in the morning, so I don't sleep real good when it storms bad at night. So we're going to make some Keurig. Why not, huh? Oh my gosh, that's kind of hard to... Oh my gosh, what is happening here? Okay, well, that was weird. Yeah, sounded like I was gonna break it. All right, let's get some coffee going. All right, I got my coffee ready. Cinnamon churro with just a little Ready Whip and caramel drizzle. Let's taste it. Cinnamon churro, it's good. All right, I'm gonna be up a while watching these storms coming through. Got my coffee, got Cody, and that's it for now, guys. See you later.